Hello moneymakers, I never thought I'd find a goldmine niche while texting my girlfriend. Weird, right? Let me explain in detail. Last week I was texting with my girlfriend, and in between she used some advanced vocabulary words like quintessential. Honestly, I had no idea what it actually meant. As usual, my go-to search engine is YouTube. So I went to YouTube and started searching for advanced vocabulary, and while researching, I discovered a goldmine niche, and honestly, I couldn't believe no one was talking about it. Check out this channel called Mr. English Channel. They have over 500,000 subscribers and more than 10 million views on their channel. When I sorted their uploads by oldest, I found that the first video was uploaded just 5 months ago, and some of their popular videos have already crossed 1 million views. When I checked Social Blade, I found that this channel is already making between $1,000 and $18,000 per month. Even if we assume $10,000 on average, that's still very good revenue from YouTube alone. This clearly shows that this niche is working very well on YouTube. There are hundreds of thousands of people who want to learn English, and it's actually very easy to create videos like this. My team and I worked for 1 whole week to figure out the easiest way to create these videos. And guess what? We found it, and that's exactly what I'll teach in this video. Even if your English isn't very good, you can still create videos like these and make money from YouTube. So grab a glass of lemonade and watch this video till the end. And yes, if you think my team and I are doing a good job, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Trust me, it motivates us to create more videos like this one. Let's get started. Alright, to make this type of video, you only need to follow 4 simple steps: writing the script, generating the voiceover, creating the images, and finally editing. So stay with me till the end. Alright, first of all, we need topics for making videos. These should be topics where there is a conversation like a podcast, but in simple English and related to daily life. For that, you don't have to think too much. You just need to go to ChatGPT and write. Analyze this channel, including its topic, style, niche, strategy, and most popular videos. Then copy the channel link and paste it there. And there you go. Look at this. ChatGPT will analyze the complete script. Topics, strategy, length, English flow, and everything. Now you might be wondering, why does AI Maskman do this step for every niche? Because if we directly give ChatGPT a prompt without explaining the niche, it won't give us the kind of response we want. If we just tell it, give me topics, it doesn't work properly. That's why this step is very important. You must make ChatGPT understand the niche first. Alright, now you need to go to my Google Doc. The link is given in my description. From there, copy the first prompt and give it to ChatGPT. And ChatGPT will give you 50 topics for making videos in just a few seconds. And don't worry, I will also add all these topics into my Google Doc so you can use them. This way, you can generate unlimited topics whenever you want. Before we move on, I've got something special for audience. This month, I'm opening the doors for just 10 people to join my private coaching program, where I personally teach you everything I've learned about building and scaling profitable YouTube channels. It's a 10-week live coaching journey, where we'll work together step by step, from finding your perfect niche, crafting videos that actually get views, mastering YouTube SEO, to building your content creation business that can start earning you real income. You'll get direct access to my frameworks, my tools, and the exact systems I've built over 10 years in this industry. Everything I wish I had when I started. You will also get a chance to connect with my script writers and video editors too, the same team who built AI Maskman from 0 to 60,000 subscribers. If you've been trying to grow, but you're stuck, overwhelmed, or tired of guessing what works, this is your chance to get personal guidance and finally make it happen. Book a free call with me using the link below, and if you qualify, you'll get a chance to work with me one-on-one inside this program. This isn't for everyone. It's only for serious action takers who are ready to invest time and effort into their success. Spots usually fill up fast, so if you've been waiting for the right time, this is it. The link's in the description. Let's see if you're a fit. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, once you have your topics ready, the next step is the script. Now, if your English is good, then I recommend that you write the conversation for that topic yourself and later ask ChatGPT to correct it. But if your English is not good, that's also fine. You can ask ChatGPT to generate the entire script for you. For that, I have already created a detailed prompt and added it to my Google Doc. And guys, this is not a normal prompt. Before making it, I gave ChatGPT many scripts, tried many prompts, tested different results, and after experimenting a lot, I finally prepared this perfect prompt. So you just need to add your video topic inside it, copy that prompt, and give it to ChatGPT. And there you go. ChatGPT will generate a podcast conversation for you, usually around 15 to 26 minutes in length. If you want the length to be longer, you can modify the prompt accordingly. Now I name my channel Easy English Talk, so I asked ChatGPT, can you replace the channel name with Easy English Talk and replace Emily and Paul with Grace and Daniel? In the same way, you should read your full script carefully and then ask ChatGPT to make the changes you need. However, if you search on Google for Easy Conversation English Podcast or something like that, you will find many things, videos, articles, and other resources. From there also you can take script ideas and video topics. This is a very easy method, and you won't even need to put in too much effort. Now it's time to move to the video making part. The script is already written. Now let's talk about the methods for making videos. The first method is, just like this channel, you can keep one podcast character image throughout the video and simply add the voiceover. The second method is, instead of using just an image, you can add a lip sync avatar for the whole video. This will make your video stand out from other channels. If you choose the first method with a static image, then I suggest you don't keep only one image for the full video. Instead, add bubble text boxes with dialogues inside them and keep changing the images. This way viewers won't get bored watching the same picture. Alright, so for now, I will go with the second method, where I will add lip sync throughout my video. For this, first we need to generate visuals. In my Google Doc, I have already added 10 different prompts that you can use to create images in different scenes. You just need to copy the prompts and generate images using any AI image generator tool. For now, I have made my images using Whisk AI, but you can use any tool you like. You can choose cartoon style, realistic style, or any other style you want. Alright, so now let's move on to the next step. In this step, I will create a lip sync avatar for my whole video. For this, I will use DupDub. With DupDub, you can not only create AI avatar videos, but also generate realistic voiceovers. So, if you are going with the first method, you can also generate your voiceovers from here. DupDub provides a variety of voices and settings that make your audio sound more realistic. Alright, so now let's select an AI avatar from here. With this, you can generate multiple character lip sync videos in one single video. 1, 2, 3, as many as you want. Alright, so first we need to upload the image that we generated. Now we need to confirm the character from that photo. So my first dialogue in the script belongs to the girl, so I will select her face as character 1. Next, we have to choose a voice for character 1. First, select the language, gender, and age. Then you will see 3 types of voices available: Ultra, Premium, and Standard. You can try each one and choose whichever sounds best. Now, according to your video niche, you have to select the right option. Since my videos are in conversation style, I will select the fake text video option. From there, I like the Lee Brown voice, so I will select that. In the same way, I will choose the voice for character 2. For the male character, I will go with the Stephen Barron voice. Now copy your script line by line and paste it into the box. First, paste all the dialogues of character 1, and then paste all the dialogues of character 2. If you want, you can also upload your own voice so that your video doesn't feel fully AI generated, or you can even clone your own voice and generate it through AI. Once you have added all the dialogues, just click on Generate Talking Avatar, and within a short time your video will be ready. Now the only problem with this video is that first all the dialogues of character 1 will play one after another, and then all the dialogues of character 2 will come together. So let me show you how to cut and adjust them easily. First, download the video, but before that, you need to create an intro video on Canva, just like this channel. For that, go to the dashboard and select the YouTube video option. And don't worry, you don't have to design it yourself. Just go to the design section and search for YouTube intro. Here you will find many ready-made intros. For example, let's choose one. Add all the parts, and then I will add my channel logo and name. You can customize everything as you like: colors, fonts, animations, and more. Then go to Elements and search for Intro. Next, go to Audio and select a nice intro music of 5 to 6 seconds and add it. Now download that intro video. One more thing you need to download is the sound wave. Go to Elements again and search Soundwave. Keep the background green and the Soundwave color white. Download it in this way. Now let's move on to the final step. Editing. For this, I will use the CapCut desktop app, but you can choose any editor of your choice. First, upload the intro video and the Soundwave video that we downloaded from Canva. Now, add the intro video to the timeline. Then add the avatar video to the timeline, and on the line above it, add the same avatar video again. From the top layer video, delete the parts where character 1 is speaking and drag the video forward. Now only the male dialogue parts will remain. Play the video. When character 1's first dialogue finishes, stop the video. At that point, play the male voice video, then cut the female's video and let it move forward. When the male's dialogue finishes, cut it and move it forward, then place the female's dialogue part in between. In this way, you keep playing the video and cutting both clips. This will make your video flow smoothly and adjust perfectly. Once the full video is set, add the Soundwave video to the top layer. Go to BG Remover and select the chroma key option. Use the color picker to choose the green color and completely remove the green background. Now resize the Soundwave and adjust it on the side. Copy and paste it wherever you need, so the Soundwave appears throughout the video. Then, click on Text and generate subtitles. After generating, choose a simple font template from the available options. And that's it, guys. With just these simple steps, you can create an amazing channel. But remember, you need to put in your full effort. Don't just copy and paste what AI gives you. Always add your own creativity. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you don't want to spend months learning and testing everything yourself, my Done-For-You program is the fastest way to start. I'll research your niche, create scripts, create videos, design thumbnails, optimize SEO, and even upload everything for you. You'll get a complete, ready-to-run YouTube channel built to grow and earn from day one. I've used this exact process to grow multiple channels to tens of thousands of subscribers. Now I can build yours. For more inquiries, you can book a free call with me via link in the description. Now let's check out the demo video.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk. I'm Grace.
And I'm Daniel. Hello. It's wonderful to be here with you.
Today, we have a very useful topic. We're going to talk about jobs and work in English.
Yes, jobs and work are part of daily life. You meet people. They ask you, what do you do? Or, where do you work? So, today, we'll learn simple words and sentences to talk about jobs.
And don't worry, we will keep it simple, fun, and easy.
Like always. So, get ready to learn and practice with us.
Okay, Daniel, let's start. I'll ask you, what do you do?
Good question. I can say, I am a teacher.
Very nice. I am a teacher. That means your job is teaching.
Yes. What about you, Grace? What do you do?
I can say, I work in an office.
Perfect. So, we have two different ways to answer. I am a teacher. Job title. I work in an office. Place of work.
Exactly. Let's try a few more examples.
Sure. I am a doctor.
I work in a hospital.
I am a driver.
I work for a taxi company.